Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm just cooking a quick, easy breakfast. I'm using my eggs from my Easter egger chickens, and I thought I'd share with y'all in case some of you are thinking about getting Easter eggers so you can see what the eggs look like and how they cook up. So come on and join us at the kitchen while we cook up our breakfast. I got these 4 chickens in this coop for my birthday from my kids. This is what they brought me on my birthday to surprise me with some chickens. They knew I've always wanted chickens, and they picked the Easter eggers. What y'all want? Want some of this bread? Right here is what the eggs look like from the Easter egger chickens. They have a tint of green to them and a little bit of blue. They're a medium-sized egg, but they are delicious. So y'all come on and I'll show you what they look like inside. Right here we have an egg from one of the Easter egger chickens, and the other one is just a Walmart bought, store-bought egg. I'm going to show you the difference of the inside of what the colors look like from a fresh egg and a store-bought egg. Okay, first we're going to do the white egg. Just a store-bought egg from Walmart. Oh, I got a shell in it. Now we'll crack our Easter egger chicken egg. Okay, now y'all see the color difference? How much darker and richer our fresh egg is compared to that Walmart egg. Now we're going to cook the eggs and show y'all what they look like. And to go with the eggs, we're just making some tenderloins. These tenderloins, Travis run through the cuber twice, and it makes them a lot easier to cook and easy to eat. Now we're going to be adding some smoked paprika to these tenderloins. We've got to give them some good spice to make them turn out good. So add you like a medium round of smoked paprika, and then we're going to be adding a heavy dose of total seasoning. I like this stuff. I use it on a lot of different dishes. But it makes these tenderloins taste better than a steak. Now we're going to add a little black pepper and a little salt. And we're going to let these tenderloins cook on low until they get a good, pretty golden brown on one side. That usually takes around 5 to 7 minutes. And now we're just going to let them cook until they get the color I want before I flip them. Okay, y'all, everything's done, and this is how my eggs turned out. I'm going to add a little cheese to the top, and we're going to see just how good these Easter egger chickens cook up and how good they taste. If y'all like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Hey girl. Hello ladies. Hello ladies.
So if you're thinking about getting chickens, you might consider the Easter eggers. Their eggs are pretty, and you won't even have to color them for Easter. They're a pretty green color, ready to go in a basket. Hope y'all like this video on my Easter egger chickens and how the eggs look inside and how they cook. And by the way, they're delicious. Thanks for watching. Out of that building. I heard you in there. She's wanting to lay her egg. She can't decide where she's going to do it at.